Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now before we get started, these are the complete specifications of the phone and these are the benchmark scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side and phone currently has 79% of battery left. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. Surprisingly, all the sides it is just 33 degrees. Now I'll start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. So guys, as you have seen, visuals are pretty good, details are great, there is a bit of lag, but that's negligible. Overall gameplay is pretty smooth. Because of the small punch hole design, it feels really great to play on this display. Overall, I've been playing this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, it's about 37 to 39 degrees. At the bottom, it is 36 degrees. On the back, it's fluctuating from 35 to 40 degrees. And at the bottom, it's about 34 or 35 degrees. Next, I'll be playing Call of Duty.
We've taken the lead.
As you can see, visuals are pretty good. Small details like blood spilling are all looking good. And overall gameplay is also pretty smooth.
We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight harder.
So far, I've been playing this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees. At the bottom, it's fluctuating between 35 to 36 degrees. On the back, it's about 40 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 35 degrees. When compared to Asphalt 9, while playing this game, phone is slightly more hotter, but it is still manageable. Next, I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. Highest graphic settings on this phone are HDR with ultra frame rate. So first I'll be playing in this graphic settings and then switch to smooth graphic settings. Visuals look pretty good and so far details in the game are also looking pretty good. But it's too laggy and jittery. It's almost impossible to play this game in this graphic settings. Next, let me try to switch to HD graphic settings with high frame rate. Now the visuals and details have dropped a bit, but the gameplay is less laggy. That means there is still a bit of lag. Now I'll switch to smooth graphic settings with ultra frame rate. Once we switch to the smooth graphics settings, there are absolutely no details and the visuals look kinda boring. Even the colors look slightly faded and dull, but the overall gameplay is much smoother than the previous graphics settings. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 13 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees, at the bottom it is about 36. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees, and at the bottom it is 35 degrees. At the end of the gameplay, I switched to smooth, so that's probably why phone didn't heat up a lot. So guys, overall gaming experience on this phone is pretty good, but especially for games like PUBG, it's better to play it in smooth graphics settings, or if you want a bit of visuals, you can switch to HD graphics settings. As for the battery test, I've been playing games continuously for 33 minutes and phone currently has 69% of battery. So for approximately 30 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 10% of battery, which is a pretty decent number. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature of the phone. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I will reset the timer and start taking pictures. So guys, it's been 3 minutes since I've been taking pictures. Now let's check the temperature. By the way, phone definitely feels hot, but not too hot, it's still manageable. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees, at the bottom it is 36 degrees. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees, that's the highest so far, and at the bottom, it's fluctuating between 35 and 36. Now I'll be using this phone for a minute to see if there is any kind of throttling going on. By the way guys, in these 3 minutes I have taken about 379 photos, which is a pretty good number. Now I've been using this phone for a while. Right after the heat test, there is a slight bit of lag, but overall no throttling. So guys, what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A51? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you have any questions about this phone or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.